फोणेचे बेकायदेशीर गांवठी पिस्तोला रॅकेटांतलो अटक केल्लो आरोपी अखिलेश ड्रग्साच्या वेव्हारांतय आसा. बिहारा सावन आपणे गांजा हाडला म्हणपाची म्हायती ताणें पुलिशेक दिल्या. फोणे कुट्टी एका खांचीक ताणें लिपोवन दवरिल्लो सुमार 4 किलांचो 49,000चो गांजा पुलिसांनी सोमारा जप्त केलो. आतां ताचे आड NDPS कायद्या खाला स्वतंत्र केस नोंद केल्या. ड्रग्स आनी बेकायदेशीर आर्माच्या धंद्याचो संबंद ताचे वरवीं उक्ताडार हाडपाचो यत्न पुलीस करतात.
One of the accused, Mr. Akhilesh Gupta, who was arrested in Arms Act case, which was recently registered at Ponda, he was interrogated and he volunteered and disclosed that he has brought ganja and kept it hidden at Kurti. So PI, at the instance of this accused, Akhilesh Gupta, recovered 4.908 grams of ganja. So the total value of this ganja is 49,080 rupees.
4 kg 900.
4 kg 908 grams. We are interrogating this accused and we have to see whether he has more quantity of these drugs. So we are booking a case under NDPS Act 1985. This was found at Kurti Ponda, in a isolated place which is not accessible to the public. He brought it recently when he travelled from Bihar to Goa. He has come by train. Still interrogating him because this is a new disclosure on today. So far we have recovered this quantity. So far nothing. We are interrogating the other accused also. They have been remand. They are on remand for 5 days.
GCAच्यो वेंचणुको थारायिल्ले प्रमाण 27 तारखेर जावच्यो म्हूण मडगांवचे जिल्लो आनी सत्र न्यायालयान कसलोच आदेश सध्या दिवंक ना. नार्वेकार समर्थक गटाचे 2 क्लब वेंचणूक 27 तारखेरच जावची म्हूण कोर्टांत गेल्ले. कोर्टान सुनावणी बेरेस्तार 24 तारखेर दवरल्या. आयतारा वेंचणूक घेवची पडटली काय ना हें ते दिसा थारतलें.
Affiliated to GCA had filed a Section 9 application under the Arbitration and Conciliation Act, and they were seeking an order from the court saying that elections as announced earlier should be continued. So the GCA has already filed its reply and the matter is now fixed day after tomorrow at 10 o'clock.
विंड सर्फिंगाचो खेळ गोंयांत बरोच तग धरतसो दिसता. दोनापावला निकत्याच जाल्ल्या रेगाटा विंड सर्फिंगांत गोंयच्या तरणाट्यांनी बरीच उमेद आनी कामगिरी दाखयली. बेरेस्तारा सावन दोनापावला विंड सर्फिंग राष्ट्रीय सर्ती सुरू जावपाच्यो आसात. गोंयचे तरणाटे हे सर्ती खातीर बरेच उमेदीन आसात. निकत्याच जाल्ल्या रेगाटांत तांकां खूब कितें शिकपाक मेळ्ळां.
Ronak, we saw you sometime back at the beach swimathon. You were good over there as well. You seem to be very friendly with DC.
Yeah, I like water very much. I've just started a month back.
Okay.
It's a very exciting sport. You got to enjoy it first. If you have to become a good windsurfer. This regatta was also very exciting. It's my first regatta.
So what did you learn? What are the differences between a windsurfer now and a swimmer that you can think of?
Swimming, like the competition is very different. Like it's very tight at the higher level. Competition gets tighter and tighter. Windsurfing is a new sport, so let's see.
You also an India's windsurfer, if I'm not mistaken?
Yeah, I won 2 nationals and I'm looking forward to this 3rd one. Yeah.
As an experienced windsurfer, then what exactly was this regatta for you like? I mean, what did it mean to you and what did you learn from it?
What I learned from this regatta is what my dad taught me was tuning the sail to a right proportion that you get the right kind of speed when you're on the beat or reach or a run. Actually, now I'm looking forward to the internationals which are coming in another 2 years, so we can form our own Indian team.
What are you doing to prepare for that?
Yeah, we are practicing a lot and we sail a lot, about 4 hours a day. 2 hours in the morning and 2 hours in the evening.
And what do you feel is going to be a performance in these coming nationals?
I'm going to try my best and
Feel you can be national champ again?
Yeah, let's try.
In this regatta for 1 year, it's my 2nd year. I've learned the harness and new things in this regatta compared to this one.
As a win,
with the sail, etc. Done a lot of hard work in this sport. Come first because a lot of competition. It's a lot of competition. Malaika, Malika competition.
I like it very much.
आनी विंड सर्फिंग तुका खंय आवडलें?
बरें.
उदकान कितले पावटी पडलो तूं?
हांव 2-3 फावटी पडटालो उदकान आनी म्हाका थिंगा वारो चड लागतालो आनी थिंगा भायर जाल्यार चड वजाडे मेवताल्यो थिंगा बोगर पडटालो.
Okay.
It was an incredible experience to participate in the windsurfing regatta, and I think we're going to aim higher in the nationals, so we're looking forward.
It was quite tough this time, and it was my first time, so next time I'll be better and come first maybe.
It was very good. There was a lot of competition for me. I barely managed to get the second place, so I'm very happy with my position.
Okay.
Each national is a big experience for us, and even though this is my second national, I was very excited to get the second position, and I'm going to aim higher, and I'm looking forward to the nationals.
How much is the Asian team on your sides right now?
I think it's very important for me to reach the Asian Games and maybe even higher, such as the Olympics, so I'm going to practice a lot for that.
Working very hard. I come here daily, every day, so I'm really looking forward to the nationals.
तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्या आसत जाल्यार आमचे www.prudentmedia.in वेबसायट वा ट्विटर अकाउंट प्रुडंट गोवा वा www.facebook.com/prudentmedia फेसबूक अकाउंटाचेर पळोवंक मेळटलें. इतल्यान खबरांची हांगाच सोंपता. पळयत रावत प्रुडंट मिडिया. नमस्कार.